If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the Chappan BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making HANSA KELI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take 1 cup of urad dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 6 to 8 hours. Then discard the water and with some fresh water blend to make a thick paste. Then half a cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, 1/3 cup of grated coconut, half a teaspoon of salt. Then take half-inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor instead of adding just chopped ginger. Now in a bowl, add all the ingredients and mix it up really well. And once these are well combined, add water little by little to make a medium thick batter. It should not be thin or runny, and the exact amount of water, how much you will need, totally depends on the urad dal paste. Whether that's too thick or runny, it totally depends on that. So add water little by little and make a thick to medium thick batter, just like this. Now once it's done, let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Then take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on medium to low. Then by hand, drop small portions of the batter into the hot oil. Then fry it till they are golden in color, and they should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, HANSA KELI. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.